In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Grow a Garden on PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Grow a Garden is an extremely popular experience on Roblox at the moment, and you can play it on any platform, so PC, PlayStation, or Xbox. So in this video, I'm gonna give you instructions on how to join and play the experience. I am going to be recording this video on my PC version of Roblox, but as long as you follow along, you will be able to do this on your PlayStation 5. So all that you have to do is go into the search function and look for Grow a Garden, or you can scroll through the popular experiences and you should be able to find it as well. So when you look for Grow a Garden, it is going to appear here under the experiences. Select it and choose the option to play, and you will load in. So you might have to wait a little bit for all of the assets to be downloaded and set up for you, and as soon as you join the experience and they are properly set up, you will be able to play. Like I said before, this experience is very popular at the moment. You will be able to move your character and interact with all sorts of things using your controller, so you can play just like you would on a PC, and all of the functions should work. So when you load in, you will be able to move around and interact with the world using your controller. Now, because I am playing on PC, this is going to be a little bit different for me to showcase, but you should be able to use the joysticks to move around, including your character and your camera. So this is how it looks. You can use the triggers to select stuff on your hotbar. So by using L1, L2, R1, and R2, you can select whatever you have available at the bottom. So in this case, my shovel. You can walk around, talk to the NPCs by pressing the buttons, and scroll up and down all of the menus. So everything should work flawlessly. You can use the share button or the start button to highlight these options, so you can go over to your garden, you can see your seeds, go to the place where you can sell everything that you've gathered, and it is extremely simple to set up. Super fun experience, and you can play at any time on any platform. Just join an available server and everything will be set up for you automatically. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Grow a Garden on PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.